Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today we will make a classic Filipino bread roll, Monay. Monay is a popular dense bread roll commonly found in most bakeries in the Philippines. It has a distinct indentation on the middle of the bread, dividing it into halves. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 3 1/4 cups of plain flour plus more if needed, half cup of white sugar, 1 cup of lukewarm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half cup of powdered milk, 1 large egg at room temperature, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine the flour, sugar, powdered milk, salt, and instant yeast. In a stand mixer, add in the milk, oil, egg, and the dry ingredients. Knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes. If your dough is too sticky, just add a bit of flour a tablespoon at a time. Now, transfer the dough into a bowl greased with oil. Cover this with tea towel and let it rest for about 2 hours or until it has increased in size. After 2 hours, it has already increased in size. Transfer it onto a work surface. Punch it to release air bubbles. Cut it in half. Shape it into a log. And cut it into 8 portions. Shape it into a ball. And transfer it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Now, make a cut in the middle of the dough using a knife or you can also use scissors. Cover this with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, brush the top with egg wash. Just beat together 1 egg plus 1 tablespoon of milk. Then, bake these in a preheated oven of 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here's our finished product! This classic Filipino bread roll is best served hot and paired with hot drinks or even soft drinks or juice. And this is what it looks like inside. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.